So let's add stairs and railings to our drawing. First I will select stairs and stair by sketch. And we have different types, so I will select by run and select line. And here you can see in the properties palette different types, 7 inches and 11 inches thread. So enough for this drawing, and my base level will be first floor and my top level will be second floor. So I will draw sketching my stair. Now you can see how much we created and how much we will create more. And I will sketch here. Sketch here, so you will see. Sorry, Control Z. Again by run, select line and draw straight. So 18 risers created and 0 remaining. Now we can modify our stairs, and you can make changes anytime you want. So this is how we created our stair. I will finish edit mode, and I will switch to second floor. So here we need some adjustment in our floor. I will select my floor and edit boundary, and I will move this a bit here and move it here and move a bit here, so that we could try to make more adjustment. Now finish edit mode, yes. And here we can't see, if I switch to 3D view, we can't see anything. So I will select these walls with Control and right click, graphics in view by element, and you can select surface transparency, and I will make it 100%, apply, okay, so that we could see our stairs and railing. If you want to delete this railing, you can, but for this I think it's okay. Now we will draw some more railing here. I will switch to second floor and select your railing, edit path and draw here. Finish here, and you can draw from this point thing here. It will be enough, and finish edit mode, continue. I will delete this one, later we will make adjustment. Now this will be enough, and finish edit mode. Switch to 3D view to see how it looks like. Now for this we will draw directly by making railings. So I will switch to second floor and railing. and sketch path. I think this will be enough, and finish edit mode. Now switch to 3D view to see how it looks like. Sorry, we can make adjustment also here. I will delete this one and edit path and switch to second floor. So we can make adjustment from this point, and this point, and here. So this will be our endpoint. Finish edit mode and switch to 3D view to see how it looks like now. That's great. You can change a railing type. For example, changing this, try different, and you will see a better result. And here I will select all these walls with control and right click, override in graphics in view by element, and transparency will be 0. Apply it and OK. Let's add some more detail in our building by adding doors and windows. So I will start adding doors. I am in the first floor and I will select door. We have different types. If we want to change a door family, or we want to load family, then load family here, and we have different, the doors folder, we have different types. I already loaded some of the doors. For example, for the garage I already loaded overhand rolling, and we have to click here. Now I will select simple door, single flush, 36 by 84, and press space to flip it around. One door here and one door will be here. You can change distances anytime you want, and we will add a door here. Now I will pause my video to save the time, and will try to add doors in that duration. So I have done adding doors. Now we will add windows, and same process for adding windows. Window, and we have different types. We select casement 36 by 72, and if you want to load your family, window family, load family, and windows, and we have different types, you can load from here. So 36 by 72 for the casement, 3 by 3 trim. Put one here, put one here, and if you want, put one here. I'll pause the video and will try to add windows. This is an easy process. You can add any type of window family you want. So don't be thinking so much. Just try to make changes and edit your family type, and you will get a better result by adding new windows to your drawing. Now we will add windows here, but we'll add some more tools. First I will select window, and here I will select transom with trim. For example, I am selecting 18 inches by 36 inches, and cell height I will give it 6 feet. So you see here, we can't see our window. We can see dimensions but can't see our window. I will place it here. Now I placed it, but we can't see our window. So I will go to view, and here we have an option, plane view, plane region. We already created a cut plan setting before, but remember, this is for just a place in your drawing if you want to apply on just a region. So I will draw a region here, a rectangular region. Select here and edit your view range. Now our cut plan will be 6 feet 6 inches. Apply it. OK. Now finish edit mode, and you will see how our window is. Now we will take copies, and you can apply array on it. From this point to, I will select last this point, and I will give it 3. So this is how our windows will. Now we will copy our range view to this side. So by pressing Control, you can drag it as a copy. Now select window, and same type will be here, but we will adjust its setting with a line tool. You can take copies, this point, again a copy, this point to this point. Now we will align it. So go to modify, align, press enter, select this one, and now select this one and lock it. Again select this one, and now select this one and lock it. Again select this one, and now select this one and lock it. So all these windows are aligned with each other. That's a cool feature Revit architecture has. Now switch to 3D view to see how my building is looking. You can apply different types of windows and doors. You can change it later if you want. And now we will apply some more tool by adding a curtain wall and mullions to this part of our building.